Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to disable the automatic opening of downloaded files in Google Chrome on your PC. This feature, while convenient, can sometimes lead to unwanted files opening right after they are downloaded. Let's take control of your browsing experience. Step 1. Open Chrome browser. First, you need to launch the Google Chrome browser on your computer. You can find it in your applications or on your desktop. Once it's open, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Access settings. Look at the top right corner of the Chrome window. You will see 3 vertical dots, also known as the More icon. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Step 4. Find Downloads section. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Downloads section. Click on it to open the download settings. Step 5. Disable automatic opening. In the Downloads section, you will find an option labeled Show Downloads when they're done. This is what allows Chrome to automatically open downloaded files. Click on the toggle switch next to this option to turn it off. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully disabled Chrome from automatically opening downloaded files. This change gives you more control over what happens after a file is downloaded, allowing you to choose when and if to open it. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more controlled browsing experience with Google Chrome.